Hello students, we will solve remaining questions which we have been solving since yesterday. So the sixth question was remain. We have solved for the A bit, but B bit is remaining. So we will solve B bit. In B bit, what is given to you that again you have to form a committee of 7 members where 8 are gentlemen and 5 are ladies. But the committee should consist of at least committee should consist of at least 2 ladies. That means ladies can be more than 2. So there are 5 ladies. So how many ladies can be there? 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. So likewise you have to add the gentlemen. If you are taking 2 ladies, then gentlemen will be 5. Similarly, if you are taking 3 ladies, then gentlemen will be 4. If you are taking 4 ladies, then gentlemen will be 3. And if you are taking 5 ladies, then gentlemen will be 2. So see, this 2 and 5, you have to take these 2 ladies and 5 gentlemen. These both are compulsory. But this and this are in or, means after selecting 2 and 5, 3 and 4 are optional. Means you can do like this, or by 3 and 4, or 4 and 3, or 5 and 2. Or means plus sign, and means multiplication sign, right? So we'll select 2 ladies from the given 5 ladies in 5C2 ways, and 5 gentlemen from 8 gentlemen in 8C5 ways, plus 3 ladies from 5 ladies in 5C3 ways, and 4 gentlemen from 8 gentlemen in 8C4 ways. Similarly, 5C4, 8C3 and 5C5 into 8C2 by using this table. Now these two things are in multiplication because we want both these two. That's why these two are compulsory, and we have done here multiplication. Then plus sign. Why? Because either this thing can happen, or this thing can happen, or this thing, or this. Means all these 4 situations, 1, 2, 3, 4 are optional. Any one of them can be possible at the same time. They all are not possible. So that's why plus sign, we are adding plus sign. What plus sign represent? It represent or, and the multiplication sign represent and. Means these things are compulsory. We have to choose both compulsorily. Now for when you are solving this combination formulas, you don't need to write whole terms because these are very simple. So you can do direct combination, and you will write final value of this. So what is the value of 5C2? 5C2, I will show you. 5C2 will be 5 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 factorial. So 5 factorial containing 3 factorial. If we cut 5 factorial, 3 factorial from that 5, so there only remaining term will be 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. This 3 and this 3 get cancelled. 5 into 4, 20. 20 by 2, it will give you 10. 8C5. 8C5 means what? 8 factorial divided by 5 factorial, 3 factorial. If we cut 5 factorial by this 8 factorial, then what will remain? 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 factorial, and these two get cancelled. 3 factorial having value 6, so we'll cancel with 6. 8 into 7. This is 56. Similarly, for remaining term also. So 5C3 will give you the same value as 5C2 because 5C3 construction is same as 5C2. It will be like this: 5 factorial upon 3 factorial, 2 factorial. Same construction is there. So again it will give you 10. 8C4, 8 factorial upon 4 factorial, 8 minus 4, 4 factorial. Now we split this 8 factorial, it will become 8 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. This 4 and this 4 get cancelled. This 4 factorial means it is 24. Now 1 time, 3 times. Again this 2 times. Now multiplication. 10 into 7, it will give you 70. Right? Now third one. 5C4. 5 factorial by 4 factorial into 1 factorial means 4 factorial get cancelled. Only 5 will be there. So 5 into 8C3. 8C3 means 8 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 5 factorial. If you cancel 5 factorial, then remaining term will be 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 3 factorial. And 3 factorial itself 6. So 6 get cancelled. 8 into 7, again it is 56. Next, plus 5C5 means 1 and 8C2 means 8 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 6 factorial. So 8 into 7 into 6 factorial will write, and this 2 term get cancelled. Again this 4 times and 4 into 7, this will give you 28. Okay, now take sum. This whole we are solving for the favorable of A means n of A. So what is the value of n of A? It is 560 plus 700 plus 280 plus 28. Take out summation. So this value will be here will get 8, then 2 plus 8, 10 plus 6, 16, carry 1, 3 plus 7, 10 plus 15, 1, 5, 6, 8. 1, 5, 6, 8. What is this? N of A. Now, what is N of S? N of S means we are having total 5 plus 8, 13 members. Now, 13 we need to select 7. So, 13C7 will be what? 13C7 will be 13 factorial divided by 7 factorial. 13 minus 7, 6 factorial. So, if we cancel 7 factorial by 13, so what is remaining? 13 into 12 into 11 into 10 into 9, 8, only 8 because 7 factorial will cancel with 7 factorial. And here we will write 6 factorial, 6 into 5 factorial, I will write here 5 factorial. Now, 5 factorial is having value 120 and 12 and 10 is also 120, so we can cancel directly. Now 6, so by using 2, 3, it can be divided 2 times and this 3 times, and again by using 2 we can divide it 4 times. So 4 into 3, 12, 13, 11, this thing will remain. So what is the value of 13C7? It is 13 into 12 into 11. Now final answer. What is the final answer? So probability of event A is 1, 5, 6, 8 divided by 13 into 12 into 11. So after solving this again, probability of event A, which is equal to 1, 5, 6, 8 whole divided by 13 into 12 into 11 by 4 tables, so 3 times, 9 times, 2 times, and this 3 times. So 33 into 13, 429. 392 divided by 429. This is the final answer, probability of A. So probability of event A in B bit is 392 divided by 429.